1995 Chevy K3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. Rev it up a little bit, check engine light goes out. 7:48, I did a 10-minute warm up here. I do have a new water pump. Do have a water pump leak. I did do a lot of work to this truck. Replaced the cylinder head gaskets, replaced an alternator, had a spare alternator and drained my batteries completely dead, boiled them. But it does seem to, I have no smoke coming out here. This is an old truck. But I am impressed with the block heater. I have very little blow by, just a little bit, but it is starting well. So I guess I'll go ahead and put a water pump in it. $100 gamble. Could be a lot of things wrong, but it's just dripping just a little bit. Could be a cracked block, cracked head, but more likely it's the water pump. I'm certain it's original. I was going to change it when I took the cylinder heads all apart and put new gaskets in it, but I decided to try it and get it running again, and if it's the problem. But 1995 Chevy K3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. Code start up at 17 degrees.